G'day guys, on this episode of the Shed Sesh, we're about to tick off a bucket list item. We're in the Hilux, got a car trailer on the back. What is it? Find out soon. Alright, take two. Here it is. The bloody dream warehouse. Okay, so I finally got home. Took about 2 hours after being stuck in a traffic jam, and right about here is the moment that I realised that the tandem trailer wasn't going to fit through the back of the front garage. So I left it there and started pulling it all to bits. Took the plastic off. And everything's just packed away nice and neatly inside the two columns, and then just backwards and forwards here, just taking all the bits out, so all the arms and all the bolts, and so here we are. This legend here is me mate. So at relatively short notice, he came over and gave us a hand. So all we're doing here, we'd already taken the first column in. We needed to try and work out how we could get it in. But we're just taking the steel brackets off that hold it all together, and then yeah, we just did what we needed to do to get it in. They're extremely heavy. I thought I'd be able to do it myself. Yeah, there's a few hours between me trying to get that trailer in, and having me made over, and yeah, I just think, quite honestly, it would be, if you've got a, like, as you can see here, it doesn't, I can't back the trailer right in and then just drop the columns straight off, stand them up, happy days, they're all done. They needed to go through, you'll see in a sec, they needed to go through the first garage, up a bit of a hill, a bit of an incline, and then across the grass, and you know those little trolley wheels aren't the best on grass. You'll see we make use of the ride-on mower that doesn't mow. That's my little $200 tractor. So yeah, it's been usually just runs the kids around the backyard for a bit of fun, but yeah, it was invaluable with this. It was just so heavy, and of course the engine hoist just dug into the ground. But yeah, with the two of us, we were able to do it. You can see here we've got it's not the flattest concrete ever either. So yeah, we're able to get it over the edges of the trailer. and get it to where it needed to be. So as you can see here, it worked really well with one on the hoist and one sort of balancing the column. As you can see, the strap is closer to the base. It's where most of the weight is. We tried to get it spot on, but as things moved, it was just better to have one person there. So this is where I use the drag chain to strap it to the let's call it a tractor, and we just drag the thing. As you can see at the top left of the screen, I've got to get up that incline and then over the grass. So we pull it through here, and this is the easy bit. The first one we actually pushed through there. Then as we got here, as you can see, there's a grate we had to get over, and then there's actually a sort of an aggie drain at the end of this bit of concrete before you get to the grass. That we then of course all the wheels dug into. But we got through that. We got through the grass into the back shed. As you can see on the left, you got the first one right about here. I'm doing my first shed skid. Obviously the engine hoist is jammed into the grass, and I'm a bit of backwards and forwards, trying to get everything, trying to get it moving. So had to put some again. There's a little bit of a raised bit and some aggie, to stop the shed flooding out, and some stones. So we put some yellow tongue board there to get the engine hoist up, and up she goes. There we go, more skids. Never had too many skids in the shed, so a bit of backwards and forwards, yanking it round, and she's in. So definitely not the easiest job to do. Definitely a two-person job. Just be really careful, and you'll get it done. As I said, I was I thought I might have been able to do it myself, but it would have been quite the effort, I think. If you were just dropping it in, straight up from the driveway, you probably wouldn't have much of a problem. Just getting it off the trailer and then standing it up by yourself. But anything outside of that, even here with lifting up the column, my mate there did most of the heavy lifting there, but I think if you're trying to move the hoist plus trying to get the thing up by yourself, it'd be a bit of an effort. And once it's up, it's actually quite easy to move around. So once it stands on its end, since this video, I've moved them into position where I think they're going to go. I've actually got they're not bolted down, and I've got my Monaro parked in between them. So with any luck, I'm putting a lot of faith in the fact they're not actually going to fall over and dip me blood and probably bloody crush me car. So anyway, guys, I'll leave it there. Pretty much from there, the only thing to do is stand back and admire the greatness of ticking off a bucket list of getting a hoist in your shed. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll like and subscribe. We'll see you around.